prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose.
So starting off with materials, you're just be needing some pearls, or maybe 2 pearls, some cord, wax cord, or cotton cord. I'm using cotton cord, and optionally a needle to help thread the cord into the pearls. So to start off, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my cord and a measuring tape, and I'm going to cut my cord to about 20 inches, and this just depends on how long you want your necklace to be. So I've already gone ahead and threaded the cord into the needle for easier access of the thread into the pearls. But anyways, I'm just going ahead and threading both of the pearls onto my cord. And once you've done that, just go ahead and push your pearl all the way to the end, or one of the pearls, and you're just going to place a knot at the very end and then a knot beside the pearl, so it kind of locks the pearl into place. And now moving on to the other end, I'm going to make an adjustable knot so that I can put the necklace on and take it off. But you're simply just going to go ahead and make a loop, and then you're going to loop the very end over that loop twice, and you're going to kind of thread it through those 2 loops. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you can watch this clip a couple of times and get it. And now that you've done that, you basically got yourself an adjustable knot that you can make it smaller or larger. So next, just go ahead and lay your necklace down and center your pearl, and you're just going to tie 2 knots so that the pearl is in between those 2 knots, and this way it'll lock that pearl into place, and you basically are now done. And as you can see, as I'm just demonstrating to y'all here, you can easily go ahead and close the necklace like so, and in the next clip I just show you how you can open up the necklace so you can take it on and off.
Can't you see what love and romance have done to me?
Il me dit des mots d'amour de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il me l'a dit là, juré pour la vie. Et dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens en moi mon cœur qui bat.